Good day everyone, I am King Philip Lukbanlutaw from the College of Engineering, major in Automotive Technology. This video is all about understanding the self from the successful future to successful career. Understanding the self is a self-awareness, self-concept, self-identity, self-regulations, and social and cultural influences. Automotive engineers is advantage with it come from social transportation and making design of one product or company industry. Making on design and creating technical usable from people, and this technology has more advantage in all people in the world, because in the understanding the self, the technology is more important in our world, and this technology contain more appreciation from future economic. Automotive engineer is more helpful in our economic. Automotive engineers plan how to transport and how to make high quality of technology invented in automotive engineers. Using self-awareness, making more compatible, and how to combine the technology in our future economic. Using advantage mind and brilliant engineers, so that thank for automotive engineers for making this advantage technology in our life. Automotive engineers use self-creative for making high quality or affordable in our society and economic industry.